The psychology of people who emotionally unplug. Ever notice how some people detach, almost like they step outside the noise of the world? Not cold, not numb, just strangely controlled. Psychologists call this emotional detachment by choice. And the minds that do this are different. Cognitive overload threshold. Some brains hit overload faster. Too much emotion, too many signals, too many people talking at once. Their mind shuts the doors to protect itself. It's not avoidance. It's a neurological safety switch. High self-observation. These individuals constantly observe themselves from the outside. It's called metacognition, thinking about your own thoughts. Because of this, they feel emotions. But they don't let emotions control the steering wheel. Selective emotional investment. Emotionally unplugged people can care deeply. But only for what their mind labels as worth it. Their brain filters relationships like a security system. If you drain them, their psychology disconnects from you automatically. Reduced mirror neuron sensitivity. Most people mirror emotions around them, anxiety, anger, excitement. But these people don't absorb everything they see. Their mirror neurons fire differently, letting them stay calm in situations where others panic. Controlled dissociation. They can mentally step back from chaos and watch it like a scene in a movie. Not because they're disconnected from reality, but because their mind knows distance equals clarity. It's a survival mechanism shaped by experience. So if you unplug emotionally, you're not broken, and you're not cold. Your mind is simply choosing clarity over chaos. Tell me, do you think your emotional detachment is instinct or protection?